Hi everyone, and we are back in Benidorm. Finally stopped raining for a bit. Just going to take a walk into town, see what's going on. Granny's bakery there, and also a little cafe area as well. Yeah, we've had that typical rain today. The slight drizzle, obviously the rain that gets you drenched, so couldn't really do much. So yeah, that's why there's been a few sort of oldish videos go up, because I know a few of you were moaning about the old videos, so yeah, not much I can really do when the weather's crap. Anyway, coming down this small alleyway here, little bar down there. Got like a butcher's type shop over the road. Butcher's and cheese shop, actually, tell a lie. And of course, Mr. Babu bubble tea shop, new in Benidorm, guys. Let me know if you've ever tried bubble tea. I've heard it's meant to be quite nice, actually, like quite sort of
Bubbly.
yeah, bubbly. It's like sort of made popular in Japan, China, that sort of area. But I mean, I wouldn't really want to try it because not too keen on tea. Come back out into main town, heading that way. You're heading towards the Rincon end of Benidorm, but we're gonna head straight up, venture further into town, and I cannot see shit. Crap. That's one bad thing about sort of coming at this time. The sun is lower and brighter, so you can't see anything, so quite hard. Not really too well lately, I will admit that. February. In other words, yeah, I'm not getting paid. Hate to say it, but I guess that's what happens when you try new things. Got the Amazon return shop here. Lot of stuff of it is literally just probably stuff bought in an Amazon job lot. Hence why it took about 5 different GoPros bought from this shop, and each one we had to return because they weren't working properly or they were missing bits. Back up in town now. Do of course have Duckworld. Great shop. Never been in there yet, though. Smells a bit of I don't know, cheap cigars. Quite in town now. At the moment it will be quiet, like everyone's probably gone for siestas. They will be having the burning of the sardine later on. Huge religious thing apparently. But yeah, but apparently it's for the fishermen bring them luck or season. But I'd rather watch something more important. Liverpool vs Real Madrid. Come on, you Reds. Beautiful gin and tonic coloured, aren't there? Tons of different bars to go to, and over 400 flavours of gin. I think that's true, I don't know. I've never really thought about like going and having a look, to be fair, because I'm not really a gin drinker. But I mean, I'm sure someone can tell me down below, hopefully. So yeah, it is rather quiet in town today. It's probably about 3, maybe 4 o'clock, so everyone will probably be having siesta. Four o'clock bang on, so yeah, it is rather late. Probably my favourite time to come through town, because you can actually manage to walk through town. Any other time in town's heathen. Just show you little Britannia's down there. Great little British cafe from what I've heard. I'm not sure where to finish. Do I just... Yeah, but do I just keep going on, keep going towards Southside Park? Yeah, alright. Because you've got films as well. Sort it. I'll go down to the end. Anyway, we'll say one thing. The nice weather is slowly starting to make its return. Thank God. So yeah, hopefully soon we'll be back to the nice temperatures. 33 degrees, nice cold drink, ice cream, chilling on the beach or something. But yeah, that's probably a bit longer to come, ain't it, guys? For 1 and for 2, can't afford ice cream. Tell you something I've noticed at Benidorm. A few things I've noticed lately, actually. Not the way it works going on. Don't know why, but just everywhere you go, road works. I know up by us, up by the train station, they are planning on building up a tunnel from one side of the road to the other, but that seems to have been going on at least for 8 months now. I think that started about mid-June, mid-July, and yeah, it's still no real sign of anything happening. Another thing, there's a lot of refurb work going on in Benidorm, whether it's bars, shops, hotels or restaurants. And I mean, you'd have thought they'd maybe done refurb work more in your quarter months, your winter months, so it's done and that away with, but no. Another thing I have noticed is seems like there's a lot more tourists coming over, which I mean is a good thing. But the thing is that slowly seeming like there's less and less for people to do over here, to be honest. Apart from, of course, drinking, going to beach, not really much to do. Like, there wasn't the old days, tourist tram thing, that's gone. The land train, that's gone. Anyway, finish off with the temperature. 19 degrees. Not too hot, not too cold. Probably a dance up better than England. Anyway guys, hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios, mi amigos.